Hi, I'm Paul Balfour with Rust Creek Creations. The rod rack I want to show you today is from our Rustic series. This is our double-sided 16 rod rack. There's a lot of racks out in the market that are similar to this one, but this one is really unique and different, and let me show you the reasons why. The two side panels at the base are over 12.5 inches in diameter. These are solid wood and it's one-piece construction. The lines on this thing are amazingly clean. The two angle boards at 45 degrees that where you rest your rod handles on have this also internal bracing. This wood is baby smooth. That's how well it is sanded with the internal groove structure, so you don't scratch those high dollar rods. Also, the top board is the exact same. This thing goes together really tight. The lines are clean, and I'm just shocked how smooth this is. This is absolutely gorgeous. We did add casters on the bottom so it's easy to maneuver and roll around. This is a great overall rack. If you have a lot of rods you want to put on display and have easy access to, this is the one for you.